to the VVDN Global Innovation Park, of course, by video conferencing. I think I would probably start with a very quick introduction of why we are here today, so that you have a very good background. So, sir, we belong to VVDN Technologies. We are from VVDN Technologies, and we are the three founders of VVDN Technologies who are sitting right now here. Sir, we took the vision of creating complete product engineering and manufacturing back in 2007. We all used to be in California, US, and that is where we took the vision that we have to create a complete electronic products engineering capability and manufacturing capability in India. And we came back to India in 2007 after staying there for 15 years. And from there on, today, after the journey of 13 years, we are proud to say that we have a team of around 4,000 people who are dedicated to create complete product development, complete manufacturing, and finally shipping the packaged product to the whole world. Right. So that's what we've been able to achieve in the last 13 years. Sir, I also want to specify that now we have a strong team of 4,000 people throughout India. And in the last 3 years, we have been seeing a tremendous growth. And we plan to continuously expand our team. And now we have very good growth plans in next 5 years. We will hire more than 50,000 people in India to make sure that Make in India vision of Indian government is fulfilled. So to give you a very quick introduction, sir, where we are sitting is the VVDN Global Innovation Park. Here we are going to do the complete manufacturing of electronic products. As you see on the background, there are SMT lines which we have put in, very advanced engineering SMT lines. We have also have complete product manufacturing facility throughout this building, where we are going to manufacture the product for our global customers and finally shipping them. In addition to this particular location, we already have 2 more factories, sir. We also created a complete capability in the mechanical manufacturing so that we can fulfill the whole ecosystem of manufacturing. And today, we are very happy to have you with us in inauguration of this Global Innovation Park, where we can hire more than 1 lakh people as a capacity. Sir, we also want to give you a very brief overview on what kind of technologies we are working on. So, sir, we are working on 5G, where we are the first company in India who has created the entire 5G technology in India. And now we are making sure that we are using that IPRs and technology in final 5G products like base stations, radio units, right, which can be very, very useful for Indian operators and global operators, right? So, sir, I think to give you a little bit more, kind of customers we are very centric on North America, US. We are working with customers like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Netgear. These are the kind of customers whom we are bringing in India for their electronic product design and manufacturing. We are also working in India. We have customers like HFCL, Sterlite, Sparsh, where we are doing a lot of Indian domestic product development and manufacturing and taking care of domestic needs. In addition to that, we are also working with companies like Samsung. We are working with companies like Sony in Japan. So a lot of customers we are able to bring in India, and they are very excited to see a company coming out of India which can do the complete product engineering and manufacturing. Sir, today we want you to, this is very, very recent and new SMT facility which we have set up in the our Global Innovation Park, and we want you to inaugurate that. And with your inauguration, after you inaugurate that, from today evening, we'll be manufacturing the PCBA in very new machines, sir. Yeah.
Gadkari sir, we would like to show the complete ecosystem with a 2-minute video.
Yeah.
We will play the 2-minute video in front of your screen. Just please bear with us.
Yes, sir. I'll do that.
We are VVDN Technologies, India's fastest growing electronic engineering and manufacturing company. Having 13 plus years of experience in doing electronic product innovation with indigenous design and make capability. Known for engineering excellence and robust manufacturing, today VVDN is the only company in India which has state-of-the-art SMT facility, unparalleled mechanical tooling and mold facility, extensive product assembly facility, best-in-class global innovation park, all located at Manesar, Gurugram, India. At SMT facility we have the most advanced and sophisticated equipment to do the electronic PCB assembly. Our mechanical tooling and mold facility is equipped with CNC injection molding machines where our team does the most creative complex designs in the precise manner. Once the PCB electronics and mechanicals are ready, we take them to our product assembly facility where we strictly adhere to DFMA process and does the parts checking quality control. And end with electronics assembly, testing, packaging, and eventually shipping the products to our global customers. Our business unit includes doing the design and make the products for Tier 1 global OEMs in 5G, Wi-Fi, Internet of Things, vision. At present, more than 3,500 people from our 9+ R&D centers and 4+ manufacturing facilities are working relentlessly to continuously do the R&D and manufacturing. With VVDN's experience, scalability, and agility, we will be hiring 1 lakh people in the next 3 years. Even during COVID-19 lockdown, we hired 500 people with a promise to give them a career to work on the most innovative technologies. Challenging the limits continuously, delivering global promises consistently, adapting emerging technologies aggressively. We are VVDN Technologies which design in India, make in India, deliver for the world.
Sir, this was a short video which maybe you would have got some idea what we are doing right now and why we have inaugurated this Global Innovation Park from you, sir. Sir, we request you that right now this all SMT machines which we have set up, we request you to give us permission to start this machine, and this will be like one of the virtual inauguration. I know we all are living in the COVID world, so this is a virtual inauguration. Once you say, please go ahead, we'll start the buttons, and these SMT machines will be operational to create world-class innovation products which will change the fortune of India, sir. Sir,
please go ahead. My best wishes to all of you, and I giving my all success for your future.
Nitin sir, please bless us with a few words now, and so that we really get charmed up and get excited and get this Atmanirbhar Bharat with very, very strong energy. Please, sir.
All dear friends, firstly, my heartiest congratulations to the entire VVDN family, and thank you for inviting me to inaugurate your Global Innovation Park facility. It fills me with immense pride and pleasure when I see the Indian origin companies setting their eyes for global success. This is what we need for India. This is exactly the concept of our Prime Minister Atmanirbhar Bharat, where we need to increase our export and reduce our import. The innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skilled and successful practices, we name it as a knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future for the country. Particularly in the IT sector, there is a huge potential. Our all software engineers who are working across the world, they are already recognized and respected in the whole world because of their technical talent and knowledge. As far as the electronic hardware is concerned, we have a lot of imports. Actually, for Atmanirbhar Bharat, our basic concept is we need to upgrade our technology either from the Indian consultant, Indian scientist, Indian experts, or suppose we need to upgrade the technology with the help of foreign consultant and the technology, we can take cooperation from them. At the same time, we need to have foreign investment, and that is also possible in the project like which you are developing the project, the way in which I am confident that you will get foreign investment also. But the most important thing is to create employment potential. We have got the large manpower, which is skilled manpower, young, talented, technical knowledge. Those who have this young, talented manpower is available in India. Only one thing which I will request you, I am not against development in Gurgaon. But now Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, Calcutta, Bangalore, there is a huge saturation. So my suggestion to you, when you want to develop this, you can go to 2-tier or 3-tier cities also, where already the engineering manpower is available, competent and capable skilled manpower is available, where we need decentralization of industry for employment potential. We have socially, economically, educationally backward area, 115 aspirant districts, and where government emphasis for giving more employment potential is the mission for us. So in that particular area, if you can going to start, when we are thinking on the line that how we can give you maximum support for that. That can be easily possible, because you can train the manpower and give them employment, and that is to be exactly the need of the country. The saturation of industry in near to Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, that is creating some new urban problem. Now from coming to Delhi to Gurgaon and Gurgaon to Delhi, I have already that road where I am responsible for that. It's so huge traffic is there, Delhi Jaipur road. So it is really a big problem. We are constructing flyovers and all the things there to increasing the length. We are making lot of projects there, like Dwarka Expressway. Then we are making Delhi Mumbai Express Highway. That Delhi Mumbai Express Highway can be a good attractive location for people like you. It can be a good location. But after that, for your expansion, please you think about it. Presently, it is the great achievement in Indian scenario. By your experience in abroad, you are taking challenge, accepting challenge of manufacturing electronic hardware in India. You are specially designing the products. You know that what type of requirement is in the whole world. So your designing and innovation center is very important. The research which is going on in your unit, that is also equally important, because every day the technology is changing. But by your good talented manpower in innovation, research and skill, definitely you will get good designs, and that designs will be accepted by the world. That is also equally important. But I am confident that you are in the process of success story, and already your story is a success story. With your vast experience in USA, the way in which you are doing it, it's really a great thing. I am not the expert of electronic industry, but many times today you know what type of crisis we are facing. The Indian economy is facing lot of challenges, and we are facing towards the crucial problem of COVID-19. So actually in the electronic sector, we are now lot of hardware for 5G and 6G and other thing also, maximum the machinery part we are importing. So this is the time that we need to find out the solution, import substitute, cost effective, pollution free and indigenous. That is the policy of the government. So everywhere there is a huge potential, and this global innovation park facility is very important. We want to make industrial clusters like this, where in one roof you will get all type of facility, testing laboratories, standard where you need to fix the standard of international standard of the particular product which you are going to design. It should be of international standard. So certification, licensing, all the things, the rules, regulations, code, by considering all these things. Hey Baba, I feel that I feel that this can be a really a great achievement for all the stakeholders who are the stakeholder in VVDN family. I am giving them my all best wishes to them. Only the sky is the limit. There is a huge potential for expansion. I also giving my all best wishes for your future expansion, and for future expansion please kindly consider my view about it, how we can make the decentralization of industry in the backward area. Once again I am giving my all best wishes to you. God bless you, and your products will give good value in exports and adding good foreign exchange in our trade and business. I am giving my special best wishes to the talented, trained, skilled manpower where they are getting jobs. It is very important, and you are create the jobs for these all young talented people from Delhi and Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. I am really, it's a great pleasure and pride for me. The industry which is giving maximum employment, it is actually our mission. So again, my special best wishes to all your technical skilled manpower worker who are working there, and with their cooperation 100% that VVDN family is going to get a very good success for the future. Once again my all best wishes to all of you. Thank you very much. Namaskar.